Hello my viewers, welcome back to my channel. It's Neelam and you're watching Neelam's Lifestyle, and today we are tackling this entryway makeover, and I love to share with you guys because it's always very clutter, messy, and so many Amazon deliveries. So I was thinking if I can add a bigger piece here, it looks better, cleaner, and more doable. So I order this dresser from Wayfair because I always love to have a cleaner look, and I already have a bigger closet here, so I can hide all the shoes over there. My girls helped me to build this. Honestly, actually they built the whole thing. It takes little while, but I'm really happy with the results. So I love this dresser because this have a really nice beautiful rib detail, the 4 doors, because before that I also tried chest here with the 7 doors. It looks beautiful, it's nicer. I moved that one into my dining room, but I think this is better because then you can hide all your Amazon deliveries and your lotion before you leave here from from the front door. And even Oliver's love it. Now he have a nap. It means he really liked this area. It's very calm and minimal, and I'm really happy with the end results. I'm usually doing the DIY, so soon I'm gonna share my laundry room makeover with you guys. And I love to do the seasonal decor, so I share my fall decor, and now I will soon share my Christmas decor with you guys. So if you like these kind of contents, please do consider subscribe, like, share, and tell me you like the dresser and what you like in this makeover. Thanks for watching.